Guys, if you have been looking for the best time frame to trade boom and crash, or probably you want the best time which you can trade boom and crash, probably for a very short period or maybe for a very long period, or you want to stay in between, then you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to share with you step by step how you can milk the market successfully using the power of 30 minutes time frame. Okay, like I'm going to tell you in the video. Okay, I'm going to explain to you where to come in, where to exit, things you should look at before you decide to trade. Okay, and everything will be done on 30-minute time frame. So many people have been asking question, why am I trading on 1 minute time frame? Why can't they trade on higher time frame? Okay, this time around I will be sharing with you how you can trade using 30-minute time frame, and I will be giving my own personal reason why I'm picking this 30-minute time frame, and why you should also look at it and see if you can trade with it successfully. So sit tight and watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to give you some tips that you should know when trading. Okay, so quickly, before going fully into that, let's check out before we check out what is happening in the market, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you do your personal findings, and and have some time to practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you go into your real account. This is very important, because I want you to make money. Okay, if I'm making money, I want you guys also to make money. That is why most of my students are actually making the market successful, and I'm really happy to hear this, except for those that have refused to practice and perfect their skills. That is the only time you can have issues with your trade. Okay, because you don't even know the strategy you are using, so you can't trade successfully with something you don't know. So this is very important. Okay, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And do not forget to join the Telegram channel so that you can learn more directly from me. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. That is the only way you can be updated each time I upload a training video like this. Okay, so just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. Okay, quickly, let's check out what is happening in the market so that we will go fully into what we have for today. Okay, so for boom 1000, I'm using the signal indicator for this, and as you can see, it is on downtrend at the moment, because it got to the resistance level here, and we got a sell signal here, and it's also crossed the blue line downward almost immediately, which means that it's going to go down a bit, and from there, while it is going down, it changes from blue to yellow, which means that the market is on downtrend. Okay, so at this level, it got to this support level and it spiked up, which is long enough to change the trend from yellow to blue. Okay, but at the moment, let's wait for this time frame, price action, to get to this blue line. If it gets to this blue line and it breaks it, then it is going to go back on downtrend. But if it does not, then we are likely to see another uptrend starting from there. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator. Of course, you see it spiking right from here, a resistance level, and it has gotten to a support level. But right now we got a buy signal, and the buy signal was confirmed, and as you can see, it has given us 27 minute candles after the confirmation, but approaching the initial the previous resistance level. So we may likely get a spike or crash down candle any moment from there. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with boom 500 using the QDC creeper indicator. Okay, at the moment, boom 500 is on downtrend, so this is the best time for you to sell. Okay, if you are the type that loves selling. Okay, we got our downtrend here. Starting from here, got our sell signal just after the trend shows us that we should be getting ready for downtrend, and it started going down since then. Check it out. I wonder why people have been finding it difficult to do their analysis when they have indicators that like this. They can help them to do it easily. This has actually been on for more than 1 hour. This is amazing. So being in the market, selling for good 1 hour is amazing. It gives you more confidence trading in this market. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500. Crash 500 is consolidating at the moment on 1 hour time frame. So let's wait for the next direction so that we get to see if it is actually going back up or it is going on a downtrend. So let's wait until then. I'll be stopping here with my analysis, so I will be moving on to what we have for today, which is the power of 30 minutes time frame in trading boom and crash. But remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Okay, kindly do so now. So let's go back to what we have for today. Okay, like I said, you can use different time frame to trade. Okay, people have been asking me, even those that are having $10 capital do ask me that can they trade on 1 hour time frame or daily time frame, on higher time frame generally, and I do tell them yes you can, but you need to put some things into consideration. Okay, if 1 hour is showing an uptrend and in 1 minute it might still be in downtrend. Okay, the reason is it will take some time for 1 hour to change the trend, but it is very easy for 1 minute to change its trend. So you need to be very, very careful. So on 1 hour time frame, it might be uptrend, and that does not mean that it is wrong. Of course, it is true. On lower time frame, it might be downtrend at that particular time, because downtrend in 1 minute might not be downtrend in 1 hour. The reason is not that it won't have effect, it will have effect in 1 hour, but at that particular time it is selling at that particular time, but it might not be for long. It can just be for 5 minutes, even for 3 minutes, even for 10 minutes, and after that it will go back on uptrend, which is what the 1 hour has shown us. Now let's look at it. Let's say in 1 hour we've gotten our uptrend there in 1 hour, and I'm using $10 to trade, and I already placed my buy order, and in 1 minute it is telling me sell. It is asking me to sell, and I have gone with the 1 hour, which means before the trend will change in 1 minute, then definitely my account will be wiped out totally. That is why I always tell you that personally, if you are going to trade on higher time frame, then you should consider your capital and your lot size. Money management is very, very important. Okay, in any business at all, either online or physically, money management is very, very important. You do your calculation so that you don't run out of cash, out of liquid cash, because that is what you will need to run your company. Okay, this is very, very vital and important. So I always tell you that your trading platform is your business. Okay, your trading activities are the things you do in your business, so you must take it serious and make it work like a business. Okay, in business we have ups and downs, so you should expect that even in forex trading. Okay, so these are some of the things you should look out for. So let's quickly go to 30-minute time frame, and we'll be using crash 500 for our analysis today. We'll be using crash 500 for our analysis today, and we are using the QDC scripper indicator. This is 30 minutes. Okay, this is what I love about 30 minutes. It is in between the lower time frame and the higher time frame, and in most cases the direction is always perfect. Okay, is almost like perfect. Okay, so you can easily move on with the direction. So I'm going to share some few tips with you, but that does not mean that you shouldn't look at the loopholes that are there. So I'm going to share those ones too with you, so that you will understand how to go about it at the end of the day. So remember, you need to put full attention into what I will be explaining here, because these are some of the things you will practice whenever you are trading on your own. So let's go into the platform. Okay, this is crash 500. I am buying crash. Okay, like I always tell you, try and specialize on a certain area. Okay, okay. If it is to buy alone, buy. If it is to sell alone, sell. And if you can do the two, good for you. That is double advantage for you, okay. But you don't need to force yourself to do the two, okay. And we have some people that love trading 1000 indices alone, that is boom and crash 1000, because 500 indices are more volatile compared to 1000 indices. So they love trading 1000 alone because it won't spike, as in it does not spike easily, okay. So this is very, very important, okay. These are some of the things you should know when you are trading, okay. So let's check it out. These are some of the things you should spot out whenever you want to trade on 30-minute time frame. If you have your setup in this form, okay, the first thing you should consider is the trend, because it is more important. The general trend is the one you will find in the third indicator window here, okay. We've gotten our uptrend here, uptrend arrow popping out here, so we should know that we should be getting ready to trade, okay. So check it out. Once we start having the green bar, of course we've gotten our arrow somewhere here already. So the arrow came earlier than the trend, okay, and it has been going up, so that confirms that the trend is also in the right position. So we can come in. Remember, all these candles are 30-minute candles. Even if you are having small trading capital, you can come in and pick your trade in between this 30-minute candle, a single candle. You can pick your trade in between it and close it in profit, okay. If you don't have enough trading capital, but if you have, of course, you can be there for a very long time. So you can pick up so many trades, multiple orders here. You can pick one, and once you have achieved a certain profit with that, open another one and close the previous one. You can do that over and over. That is replacing of order. You can do replacing of order, okay. And whenever there is a crash like this and the market is still green, you should be having assurance that you can still buy again. It is giving you an opportunity to buy big again. You can see this actually gave us 1 hour candles, okay. 2 30-minute candles, that is 1 hour, which is amazing, and they are full candles, okay. This is amazing, which means you are getting the full profit that is allotted to these 2 candles, which is amazing. So you can always do that over and over again. And let me tell you something. How do you afford, how do you overcome you being caught up in a spike? Okay, there are some things you should look out for, okay. For instance, let's say you came in here and it spikes down to this level and you are already at this level. That is why I said the risk management is very, very important. Use the right lot size that your account can accommodate. Okay, you've been spiked down to this level, but the market is still green. You should have the assurance that the market will still get back to where you started from. So it gives you an opportunity to open a second position. So open a second position and buy while this one is trying to reduce the negative sign, the negative amount it is showing. So as you are buying, you've made your profits. After making a little profit, close it and open another one again. Make a little profit, close it and open another one again. By doing that, you will have reduced what you are losing on this, okay. So after doing that regularly, before you know it, you notice that the one that is red has even turned blue. Then you can now close that in profit. Then another thing you should look out for are the candle formation. Check out this. We got our sell signal here, and we got a bearish engulfing candle showing up here, and you can see it going down and down. And the last candle here, the last sell candle here, was an hammer, okay. So which means that the market will be going on uptrend. Check it out. It has been going up since then, and this has gone for like it has gone for more than 4 minutes, okay, going to 5 minutes now. It has gone for 5 minutes candles, okay, which is amazing, and it will keep on going because we've gotten an hammer here. When you get an hammer at the support level, it shows that the market will go back on uptrend, okay. And the market will reverse back a bit. How long it will go, we don't know, okay, but it will definitely bounce back a bit. So that is what is happening now. It has given us 5 minutes candles successfully, and it will still give us more candles successfully, okay. It will be there for more minutes, okay. That is how it works. Then another way to go about it is, once you see a breakout action or you see a buy signal above these 4 MA candles, then you should know that it is going to go for a very long time. You can see this is a breakout action, and if it is a buy signal above it too, you can see that it will definitely go for a very long time. So let's check out. I want to see a buy signal above it. Let me see if I can get one. Okay. Let me see, why am I not getting one? Okay, this is it. We got this. You can see it's above the candle, and it's actually gave us you remember this is 30-minute time frame, so let's see the number of candles we got here. 6 candles, so 6 times 30, that should be 180 minutes, okay. This is another one, so you can do the calculation. You can always do the calculation, okay. So because it has broken out from the 4 MA candles, and the candle, the trend is still green at that particular time. Check out this. We got our buy signal here, but got broken out from the 4 MA candles here. So you can see for how long it went. Okay, this actually went for 31 candles. Okay, so 31 times 60, you should know or what the calculation is. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. You can see that this candle, this is our last candle, is still on bullish trend, and it has given us 7 minutes already. 7 minutes already, because I have a candle timer here, and the candle timer shows me that we have 23 minutes left, okay, because it is counting down. 23 minutes left, so that means we've gotten 7 minute candles already. So that is amazing. So this is how you can do your analysis. This is how you can pick you can even use this strategy to grow your trading capital. Let's say you are having $50 as your trading capital, and you are using 0.2 as your capital, okay. Each time, for instance, we got our buy signal here, and on this, and definitely being in the market for 7 minutes, I don't think it's a joke, okay. This is crash 500. You can do the calculation. That means you are getting you are using 0.2, you are getting 20 cents, approximately 20 cents per minute. Now multiply it by 7, that will give you $1.4. Okay, now let's say that within an hour or two you are able to pick about 10 of that, or probably, okay, let's say about 10 of that. Okay, I love being realistic. Let's say about 10 of that. Okay, that will give you $14. Okay, that will give you $14. If you should add $14 to your initial $50, that is $64. Okay, now let's do the calculation. We started with $50. Okay, I'm not even going to compound here. Okay, let's say that we are earning $14 daily. Multiply that by 30. Okay, multiply that by 30, that is $420. Now add it up to your initial $50. Okay, that will give us $470. Isn't that wonderful? And I'm very sure if you are done compounding, if you are added compounding to it, then you should be getting close to $8,000, if not above it, or probably close to $2,000 if possible. Okay, if you know how to do your calculations very well. Okay, so that is how good this is. That is how good this is. So you need to take your time to grow your trading capital, and remember, the higher you go, the bigger your trading capital, the better your profit becomes. Check it out. It has given us 9 minutes successfully. 9 minutes candles successfully. So this is how amazing it is. So I want you to do something. I know you have taken down some of the messages, some of the points I have highlighted here. Go through them over and over again. You can watch this video over and over again if you need to watch it. Okay, so after watching it, then you can now have this set up on your demo account. Try some of these things out and see if it works for you. Let me know if it works for you, and if it does not, also let me know. Kindly send message to me on WhatsApp, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Then we can brainstorm together. You can send your chart, and let's see what you are getting wrong that I have not, that you need more explanation on. Okay, so that I can give you proper explanation and guide you on how to go about it. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Remember, this is coming to you live and direct from Qora Digital Cash. So feel free to subscribe and click on the notification bell beside it, and also set it to all notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'll be stopping here for now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.